Hi everyone and welcome to Owen's kitchen. Today I'm going to share easy and delicious Sri Lankan style mild fish curry. I'm going to use basa fillet. You could use any fish you wanted. And this washed and clean. Cut into medium size. It's thick enough to hold its shape while it's cooking. Now I'm going to marinate the fish. Little bit of salt, some black pepper, turmeric, light soy sauce, malt vinegar, and some lemon juice. Mixed everything and now put this in the fridge for 20 minutes to the seasoning work its magic. Here I got the other ingredients. 1 big onion finely chopped, and 1 red chili. I removed all the seed or you can leave it, and ginger and garlic, these are finely crushed, and curry leaves. Here I got 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, chopped fresh coriander, chopped 2 tomatoes. For this curry, I need some spices. In here, I have 1 teaspoon of mild curry powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon chili powder, and half teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon cinnamon powder, or you can add cinnamon stick, and half cup chicken stock, and 1 cup thick coconut milk. And also I'm going to use coconut oil, or if you wanted you could use vegetable oil or anything. Heat the pan and add some coconut oil. It's about 1 tablespoon. When it's hot, add mustard seeds. It takes 5 to 10 seconds. Now you can see it's popping up. Now I'm going to add garlic, ginger, then onion, and chilies, then curry leaves. Medium heat, fry this about 3 to 4 minutes until softened. This is 4 minutes later. Now spices. Mixed everything. I'm going to add some salt and black pepper, fresh coriander, then tomatoes. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium heat. This is 3 minutes later at chicken stock. Mixed everything and cook for 2 minutes. And now I'm going to add coconut milk. Once the coconut milk started to boil, stir constantly. Let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. Now you can see it's bubbling. I'm going to have a taste. Just make sure that's the seasoning right. Need a little bit of salt. And remember, this is to your personal taste. And mixed again. I'm going to put the fish. And quickly flip this over, and this need to simmer for 6 to 7 minutes or fish fully cooked. This is 4 minutes later. Give a nice little shake. 3 more minutes to go. Now curry is ready, and turn off the heat. Now I am going to leave it for few minutes, and lastly squeeze some lemon juice. And you can see it's now completely done. Just taste the sauce. It's nice and all different flavor in here. And make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.